Hello Enagic family, hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. Our topic for today's video is on how to install the expandable adapter onto your faucet. Let's have a look at the expandable adapter. The adapter comes with 3 gaskets of different sizes and you need to choose the one according to the size of the faucet nozzle hole. Most of the time the biggest one gets used and this adapter works specifically for some faucets only. The most common type of faucet that uses this adapter is short nozzle pull-out faucet. With the help of the plier, please unscrew the face of the faucet nozzle. As there is no place to remove the aerator, so have to remove the whole thing. Once removed, please pop the aerator out and place the piece back in there. Now get the expandable adapter with the biggest gasket and have it pushed into the aerator void space on the nozzle. Use the metal circular ring and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction to have the rubber expanded inside the void space on the nozzle to tightly have the adapter held there. Now either install the metal diverter straight to it or plastic with female gray adapter.